Excuse me, driver. Stop. Can you stop here, please? Joe, you're too quiet. In a jeepney, your voice is your brake pedal. Watch this. Ano po?
Did you see that? The driver didn't even look in the mirror. He won't stop unless you say the magic word. Para. In a jeepney, silence is your enemy. If you don't know the right words, you're stuck. I'm breaking down the holy trinity of phrases every AFAM needs to survive the commute. Welcome back to Kanto Talk. Speak the Philippines, not the textbook. Today, I'll be teaching you the Jeepney Etiquette 101. How to commute like a local and not miss your stop. The first thing you need to know is, bayad po. It means, here is my payment. Now, how do you pay when you're 10 feet away from the driver?